Welcome to Preform Line Products. This video covers the installation of the Maxtensor MX1-WP. Insert the wire into the pre-drilled hole. Find the arrows on the termination and insert it into the hole in this direction. Slide the termination toward the pole until it makes contact. Be sure to leave at least 4 inches for tensioning purposes. If tensioning is desired, grab your MX AC2, open the handles so the head of the tool can accept the wire. Insert the wire to be tensioned, then close the handles. Slide the termination towards the pole until it makes contact. Repeat if necessary. This completes the installation of MX1-WP. For more information, please visit preform.com. All safety guidelines set forth in the appropriate application procedure for this product must be reviewed and followed prior to installing this product. The installation shown is intended to illustrate the application method of the product only. It is not intended to supersede any company construction or safety standards or the use of required protective equipment.